Hi, I'm Nikki. Did you know you could work on more than one worksheet simultaneously? Well, this clip's going to show you how. Why is it that it's only after you've done loads of work that you realise some little element is missing? Here's an example. I've got 3 sheets, one for each department, but I haven't formatted them or put in my totals. Now, wouldn't it be nice if I could do them all at once? Good news, you can, but first you need to group the sheets together. To select just certain ones, you click on one, then hold down the Control key, and then click on the other one, and they'll both go white. Or if you want all of them, click on the first one, then hold down the Shift key, and click on the last one. And again, you'll see that they're grouped because they all go white. And also at the very top where it's got your file name, it will say group in square brackets. So now I can make whatever changes I want, but I must stay on the current sheet and just trust that the changes will be applied. If I start clicking around, I'll ungroup them. So I've applied some formatting here, and I'm also going to put in my totals. When you've finished, you can either just click on one of the other sheets or right-click and choose Ungroup. Now if we go and have a look, we'll see the changes have been applied to all of them. Magic. So if you need to make changes to several sheets at once, all you need to do is group them first by either holding down the Control key or the Shift key as you select your sheets. I really hope this feature saves you loads of time. Thanks for joining me today.